Hi, are you planning on traveling to Indonesia? Maybe for business, work, study, or just for holidays? But you're worried about the language barriers? Well, in this video, I will be teaching you simple, basic Bahasa Indonesia that will help you understand and hopefully help you when you're here in Indonesia. So keep on watching. Bula Vinaka everyone, Selamat Datang and welcome to my channel. Now for those of you that are new to this channel, I'm Leo and in this video I will be teaching you how to speak Bahasa Indonesia. Before we continue, please do support this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you'll get notified every time we upload a new video. But for those of you who already subscribe and support my channel, terima kasih banyak and I really do appreciate your support. Okay, I'm not a professional teacher and or specialist in Bahasa Indonesia, but I will teach you everything I know about Bahasa Indonesia and how I learn it. Okay, now let's jump right into it. Let's start with the basics, which is the vowels or the huruf vokal, as they say it in Indonesian. Now the vowels in English, it's pronounced as A, E, I, O, U. Now in Indonesia, in Bahasa Indonesia, it's similar to how we say it in Fijian. The pronunciation are the same, but the placing of the alphabets is different. Now in Fijian we say it A, E, I, O, U. In Bahasa Indonesia, it is A, I, U, E, O. So similar in pronunciation but different in the placing of the alphabets. Now you can see the similarities between Fijian and Bahasa Indonesia. I've already done a video on some similarities in Bahasa Indonesia and Fijian. I'll leave the link up here. If you haven't watched that video, you can click on the link to watch that video. That was huruf vokal. Now let's learn the alphabets in Bahasa Indonesia. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay! Now you know your alphabet in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay guys, now we'll do the numbers or angka. I'll count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Belas means teen and puluh means T. When we say it in English, we say 13, 14, 15. So the teen behind the numbers is belas. And puluh means T. We say 20, 30. So the T means puluh. Now I'll count from 20 until 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now if you see, when I say 20, I put another number behind it. It means 21. So the puluh goes in between the numbers. 21. And now let's continue from 30 until 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Hundreds are known as ratus, and one is also known as se. So it's the same. It's a se or satu. It's the same. Like before, I said 10. It means 10. Now when it comes to 100, we say 100. Thousands are called ribu. 1000 means 1000. 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, and then you can go on. Just remember, 100, ribu. Oh, 100. Sorry, 100 means ratus. 100. Ratus behind numbers. Then you have seribu means 1000. Seribu, 1000. And 2000, you can continue. When it comes to 100,000, you say 100,000. It means 100,000. And after that, you have millions. Millions are called juta. You can say 1 juta or 1 juta. It's the same. Se and satu. It's the same. One. Then you have 1 juta, 2 juta, 3 juta, 4 juta, 5 juta, and then so forth. Okay guys, those are the numbers. Just remember, tin means belas, ti means puluh, hundreds means ratus, and thousands is ribu, and then you have million, it's juta. Now if you're not clear with the numbers, you can just leave a comment down below, and I'm very happy to reply to that comment. Now we'll move to the currency, which is the important one, because when you travel into Indonesia, you'll need to know the Indonesian currency, or mata uang in Bahasa Indonesia. Now, currency in Indonesia is called rupiah. So it's Indonesian rupiah. And everywhere you go in the market or malls, you'll see the RP sign, which means rupiah. Now the Indonesian rupiah, Indonesian currency, starts with 100. The hundreds comes in coin. So 1000, 100, 200, 300, and then you have 1000, which is 1000. 1000 comes in coin and also the note. So the largest note is 100,000, 100,000. And then you have, like, the smallest note is 1000. You have 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, and then you jump right up to 100,000, which is 100,000. And then you have 1 million rupiah, which means 1 juta or sejuta. You hear most of them saying. So those are the currency. It's similar to the numbers. and the only added word is rupiah. So like I said before, if you find it if it's not clear enough for you, please just put your comment down below, and I'm very happy to reply to your comments. Okay guys, now we've done the basic vowels, and then we've done the alphabets, the numbers, we take a little bit of currencies, and now we'll jump into the month. Januari, Februari, Maret, April, Mei, Juni, Juli, Agustus, September, Oktober, November, December. Now in Bahasa Indonesia, R, when they say November, R is a bit, they give a little bit of emphasis on the R, like R. So we say October, we say October, September. So there's emphasis on R. Okay guys, now we've covered a little bit about Bahasa Indonesia, basic learning, Bahasa Indonesia or any foreign language for that matter. It's such a big topic, and we can cover it the whole year, continue maybe the whole 2 or 3 years, but still we find new words and new phrases. So it becomes sometimes it becomes boring. So I've decided to cut it into parts, and this is our learning bahasa, basic Bahasa Indonesia part 1. And in my next video, I will show you some phrases that are commonly used in Indonesia, and will be helpful for you to know these phrases, especially when you're finding a way around Indonesia or any city in Indonesia that you're planning to travel to, and make it easier for you to communicate with the locals, and to find your way around, so you don't need to get into trouble if you don't know any Bahasa Indonesia. So to all of you who have subscribed and support my channel, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do support my channel by clicking on that red button and the bell icon next to it, so you get notified every time we upload any new video. And please do share with your friends who may be planning on coming to Indonesia. Who knows, this can be helpful for them. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you have any suggestion, just give me a comment. I'll be so happy to reply to your comment. And again, thank you very much for giving your time to watch this video until now. And like we said in Bahasa Indonesia, terima kasih banyak. So I'll see you in the next video. Mo demanda, kaiso tayo. Mami, ini gordang di Okay, now let's jump right into it. We'll start with the basic, which is the vowels. And in Bahasa Indonesia we say huruf vokal.